Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a special series where we are going to learn about few softwares which are useful outside our VFX course. Today we are going to learn about a software which can convert a simple paint to stunning photorealistic photo using artificial intelligence. It is known as Nvidia GauGUN. It is currently in beta stage. It is mostly famous to make paintings on its official website, but you can also download its source code in your PC. Its source can be downloaded from GitHub, but we will focus on website GauGUN today, so search Nvidia GauGUN on Google. The first or second link will be there, or I can post link in description. Next, select the brush size on top and brush shape if you like, and category here on left side. After that, decide what you want to make, example a hill, mountain, river or a sea. Start making it one by one without overlapping too much colors. I have learned that overlapping colors make painting weird. If you want to remove last function, press this backup button and you can use shortcut shown below. Now complete painting and check mark this button to agree Nvidia's terms and condition, which are they may store or use your painting in their research or commercial use. Then you press this middle button for conversion and to change lighting and colors of sky. You can select these pre-made photos if you like your rendered photo. Download it from here and also download the raw painting you made here. You guys can have some fun using this or share it with kids. It's your choice. By the way, sometimes render is not so great, but other times it looks real. But you can see some good work on YouTube using this program, and for more I will post 1 or 2 tutorial videos in description too. So that's it guys, hope you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this. Please subscribe my channel and like and share the videos. Bye.